One of the problems the woman faces after postmenopausal is osteoporosis, and thus there is a high incidence of caries. In such cases, I will advise my patients to use vitamin D3 and calcium tablets for a period of time.
Hi, this is Madhur Bhandarkar and आप देख रहे हो 24/7 ताजा समाचार. Best wishes.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज मोहम्मद फैज और आप देख रहे हैं 24x7 ताज़ा समाचार.
24x7 ताज़ा समाचार के पाठकों के लिए मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
24x7 ताजा समाचारेর সমস্ত দর্শককে আমার অর্থাৎ প্রীতির তরফ থেকে অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা. সকলে ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন.
24x7 তাজা সমাচারের সবাইকে আমার তরফ থেকে বেস্ট উইশেস এন্ড প্লিজ ফলো করুন, দেখুন আর প্রচুর নিউজের আপডেট পেয়ে যাবেন.
Hi, I'm Dr. Madhurima Nanda. I'm a doctor at Barapur City Diagnostic, Ichhapur. I am a BDS graduate and I passed my BDS from Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research in 2023. In today's segment, I'll be talking about teeth. So, teeth are the vital components of our body which helps in mastication and chewing, as well as they help in digestion by breaking the food particles into smaller ones and helps us in digestion. So in our Indian subcontinent, people take the health of the oral cavity in a very light way. So improper brushing techniques and as well as the deleterious oral habits lead to the bad state of the mouth. So I think every person in India or be it in any other country should take the proper care of their oral health. So today I'll be talking about how to take care of your teeth. Firstly, improve your brushing technique by brushing your teeth at a 45-degree angulation for like 2 to 3 minutes. This helps in massaging of the gingiva and it is also known as the Bass method of cleaning or brushing your teeth. Secondly, it's important for us to clean our tongue. Otherwise, if the tongue is being kept unclean, then it may give rise to a variety of fungal infections such as candidiasis. Thirdly, for a child, if a child is being breastfed, then the parent should take proper care of the oral cavity of the child, because this prevents the sugar from sticking in the mouth of the oral cavity of the child, and thus it reduces the chances of caries. Another way to strengthen the teeth of a child is by incorporation of a fluoride toothpaste, which helps in the strengthening of the enamel and it by forming fluoroxyapatite crystals, and thus it reduces the chances of caries. One of the most common problems the old people and the middle-aged people are facing today are the periodontal pockets. These pockets are formed due to the loss of attachment of the supporting tooth structures. In these cases, I will advise my patients to use either a dental floss or a interdental brushes instead of using a needle or a bobby pin or some toothpicks, because not cleaning your teeth isn't an option. One of the problems the woman faces after postmenopausal is osteoporosis, and thus there is a high incidence of caries. In such cases, I will advise my patients to use vitamin D3 and calcium tablets for a period of time. Now, the WHO recommended doses for vitamin D3 is 60,000 international units per week, and for calcium it's 500 mg once or twice per week for a duration of 30 days. It depends on the cases also. Another thing which is to be incorporated in a daily life is the uses of mouthwashes such as chlorhexidine gluconate at a concentration of 0.12%. Now, people will ask me how to use a proper, give me a proper explanation of how to use mouthwash. So, The mouthwash should be taken in a concentrated form in a desired quantity, say about 5 ml or 6 ml. After that, you have to keep it in mouth for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we advise the patient to swish and spit, and followed by no liquor and food for 30 minutes. There is a high incidence of chewing gutka and pan in our country. For patients like this, I will advise them to stop using these habits and to get their to get their teeth very cleaned by a dentist, which is also known as scaling. By scaling, I mean the removal of the calculus and the plug, which is there in your teeth for several years, and you don't know how is it affecting the teeth. At last, I would like to conclude that if a patient is properly using all the dental cleaning aids and brushing their teeth properly, then it will retain the strength of the tooth for a longer period of time. And if any problem occurs, be it anything from sensitivity to like caries or cavities, anything, you just consult with a doctor and don't you ignore it, because bright smiles are always in fashion. If any one of you wants to contact me, you can mail me at madhurimananda130@gmail.com.
very very congratulations to 24/7 তাজা সমাচার। আর আপনারা শেয়ার করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, আপনারা দেখুন 24x7 তাজা সমাচারে যা যা আপডেটস আপনারা পাচ্ছেন, আর যা যা নিউজ আছে, যা যা আপনারা এন্টারটেনমেন্টের সব কিছু এখানে পাবেন। সুতরাং সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আর শেয়ার করুন।